Silicone roof coating is the most UV-resistant coating system available. And in Tucson, where ultraviolet exposure is among the highest in the country, that resistance is everything. Silicone never chalks, cracks, or hardens over time the way some acrylic coatings can, meaning a properly applied silicone coat delivers lasting waterproofing and solar reflectance across the full life of the system. DC Roofing of Arizona applies professional-grade silicone coating systems over existing flat and low-slope roofs, with full surface prep and any needed leak repair included before coating goes down. David Contreras has applied silicone coatings on hundreds of Tucson properties since 2011 and specs every job to the manufacturer's minimum wet mile thickness for maximum performance. We serve the Catalina foothills, Tanque Verde, Dunbar Spring, and all of Tucson with silicone coating services, written warranties, Energy Star qualified formulas, 4.8 stars, and 500 completed roofs. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for a free silicone coating estimate.